If you are always broke, it is not your fault. But what you will do next will decide if you are ever going to escape it. Being broke is not just bad luck. There are hidden reasons keeping you in that circle of being broke, and no one is telling you that. Today, I will. Stay with me till the end because I am going to reveal to you 3 reasons why you are always broke, and most importantly, how to fix them. My name is Juliet, and in this channel, I share money hacks, bringing financial literacy today, grassroots, entrepreneurship ideas, and making money online. If this is the kind of vibe that you like, subscribe to this channel, click the notification button, stick around for more valuable hacks. Before now, I used to think that making more money would solve my financial problem, but I was wrong. No matter how much I earned, I was still broke by the end of the month. I wasn't broke because I didn't earn enough. I was broke because of my mindset and habit. If you have ever felt that money disappears from your account, then you need to hear this. Let's roll as I reveal to you 3 hidden money traps keeping you in that circle of being broke. Trap number 1, the I deserve it mentality. You work hard, you get stressed, and the moment you get paid, you think you deserve it. So this I deserve it mentality is one of the habits and mentality keeping you in that circle. And we are going to fix it today. The moment that mentality of I deserve it sets in, the next you jump on buying things that you don't even need, then you struggle later. When you buy things you don't need, you struggle later. It's a must. To fix this trap, instead of impulse buying, reward yourself. Yes, after saving, reward yourself. Instead of taking yourself out buying some things for yourself, reward yourself by saving that money. That's how to fix that challenge. Reward yourself. There's a book I would recommend for you to go and read. Go and look for that book. The Profit. It talks about you paying yourself first before you even do any other thing. So reward yourself. Replace that I deserve it mentality. Turn that mentality of I deserve it to, instead of spending, to saving. Apply this financial discipline of, if you want something, wait for 30 days. If after 30 days you still want that thing, then it's a necessity. You can afford it, go for it. But if after 30 days you don't want it, then it is not a necessity. Leave it. Within that period of 30 days, you must have decided the reason for going that thing, and you can be able to afford it. Trap number 2, thinking I will save what is remaining. That is the biggest mistake ever. If you have been making that mistake, stop it. And I mean now. Think of it this way. The moment money enters your hands, NEPA will come, subscriptions will come, recharge card will come, school fees will come, a lot of expenses will come. So you end up paying bills. And they say that you will save what is remaining. And at the end of the day, nothing is remaining. Sometimes before the money even comes, you've spent all. So a lot of people pay bills and they think they will save what is remaining, and they end up saving nothing. This is one habit of the rich, which the poor need to emulate from them. Saving first and spending what is remaining, not spending first and saving what is remaining. The moment you continue spending first to save what is remaining, you will continue being broke, no matter how much you earn. To fix this problem or this trap, flip this system entirely. The system of spending first to save what is remaining. Flip it entirely. Pay yourself first. The moment the money enters into your account, pay yourself first, then spend what is remaining. Now, let me give you a premium tip on this. Open an account, high yield savings account with any of the commercial bank or with any fintech platform. Automate that percent, save at least 10% of your income. Automate it, because if you depend on willpower, it might fail you. So the premium tip I'm giving you is, when you open this account, automate that particular percentage that you want to be using as your savings, so that the moment the money enters into your account, they will send it to that account. That's your high interest paying account. They will just shift the money there. You will even feel it. That's the easiest way. You will not feel it. You will feel the weight and the things when you spend money in cash than when that money just leaves, or automatically leaves your account. You even recognize the presence and you even feel it. So apply it in order to come out of this rat race. Then trap number 3. I want to start tomorrow. Procrastination. That's the killer. And the father of all these traps is a killer. Run away from it. The thing is this: you keep telling yourself that you will fix your financial issues later, and that later never comes. You and I knows that. The later never comes. The more you delay in fixing your finances, your financial issues, the longer you stay broke. Now, to fix this trap number 3, take actions right now. Immediate action. Start tracking every of your spending. Track them. It will help you to adjust. If you are serious about fixing your money issues, go to the comment section, type "I am starting now." Now let's go to the practical solution. Remember, I promised you from the beginning of this video that I'm going to show you how to fix this. Now this is the practical solution. Number 1, for the next 7 days, write down every expenses, every of your spending. Write them down for the next 7 days. Even if it is $1 or ₦1 that you spend, write them down. On the 7th day, at the end of the day, especially in the night, when you know that you're not going to spend any other money that same day, sit down, look at those things that you've written down, calculate them. You'll be shocked on what is draining your money. Then practical step number 2, cut down every unnecessary expenses. Unused subscriptions, eating out often, impulse buying, and their likes. Eliminate them entirely for the next 30 days. Eliminate them entirely for the next 30 days. You will be shocked how much you will save within that 30 days. You'll be shocked. Then, practical number 3. Let that money work for you. Instead of just saving, invest, even if it is a small amount, into income generating assets. That is how you grow. Invest, let that money work for you. You can invest into stocks, into real estate, bit by bit. You can invest into crypto if you know it or you have a special advisor on that, and so on. In summary, what I'm saying is, instead of just saving the money, grow that money. Grow it, let it work for you. Consistency is the key. Go to the comment section, write down any of these tips that you have been a victim. Let's fix it together. Like and subscribe for Real Money Hack so that you don't go broke again. Most importantly, share this video to your friends, to people around you. A lot of people need to get out of this rat race and out of being broke. Till I come your way next time. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Peace.